Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In my previous video, I have taught you sign convention regarding lens. So, it is numerical section part 2, that is what is lens formula. What do you mean by the term lens formula? Lens formula is a relation, is a formula that relates U, V and F. What is U? U is the object distance. Object distance means we can call it the distance between object and lens. What is V? V is image distance. It is the distance of image from lens. So distance between image and lens. What is F? F is the focal length of the lens. So a formula that relates object distance, image distance and focal length, that is known as lens formula, and for the lens its formula is 1 by U, 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F, where V is image formula, U is image distance, object distance and F is focal length. And now for numerical continuation, I am going to define a new term, that is magnification. As you have learnt image formation by convex lens and concave lens, so what do you mean by the term magnification? Magnification means how the image magnified. How the image magnified. It means how much change in size of object has been observed, whether it is increased or decreased or remains same. So mathematically magnification may be defined as height of output. Output क्या है? What is output? That is our image. And what is input? That is object. As we score 8 out of 10, then it is our output and this one is our input. So in input we place object and result we get image. So height of image upon में height of object. As I have told you that image height of image is represented by the letter H dash and height of object is represented by the letter H. So M is equal to H dash upon H, height of image to the height of object. And after this, M can also relate image distance and object distance. In terms of image distance and object distance, it is defined as ratio of image distance to the object distance. Image distance or object distance means what? It is the distance of image from the lens. It is the distance of object from the lens. So it can also be represent M is equal to V by U. From these two formula we come to know that M indirectly relates height of object or image with distance of image or object. So we have to learn this formula so as to go towards numerical section. Now what will be the importance of M? If M will be given to you, what will be the importance of M? To search the importance of M, let's learn about its sign and value. Importance of magnification. Magnification is having sign and then value. So sign as well as value indicate us something about the image. So it informs us. So it is having two categories with respect to its importance. First one is sign importance, and second one is value importance. So dear students, you have to pay attention here, because numerical will not be asked to you directly, it will be in indirect statement. So focus on here. If magnification is positive, then image is erect. Erect means what? It will be virtual. Okay. And when magnification is negative, then image will be real. Real means what? It will be inverted. Okay, so it gives us about the nature of image. So sign provides us information regarding nature of image. Now what about value? The value of m may be greater than 1, equal to 1, or it may be less than 1. If magnification value is greater than 1, it means image size is larger than that of object. If magnification is less than 1, it means image is smaller than that of object. So what will be the meaning of equal to 1? It will be equal to stating that image distance is equal to object distance. Image size is equal to object size. Okay. So indirectly it tells us about the size of image. And we have come to know that m is equal to h dash upon h, that is equal to v upon u. If size of image is known to you, then you can also find out the distance or position of image. So what is the importance of m? Number 1, it provides us information regarding nature of image. Number 2, it provides us information regarding size of image. And doing mathematical calculation, we can also give the information regarding distance or position of image. Okay, so it will help us to solve numericals. Any one can be asked, remaining can be given, then we can find out its remaining value, the asked one. So in this way it tells us about the image information. Let us consider the case when m is equal to plus 2.5 is given to you, then what information you can receive? M is given to you plus 2.5, you have to find out the nature of image, size of image, as well as nature of lens. Number 1, m is positive. Positive m indicate that image is erect. Erect means what? It is virtual. Virtual and erect. After this, m is greater than 1. It's 2.5. It means size of image is equal to, using this formula, if m is given to you, height of object is given to you, you have to multiply this. So size of image is equal to 2.5 times size of object. It means image is larger. And what about nature of lens? You have to find out the nature of lens also. As we have only two lens, that is convex lens and concave lens. In concave lens, for any position of object, image is diminished, small in size. As size of image is larger, so it means that it is convex lens. What about nature of lens? Not name, it is nature of lens. Convex lens is converging in nature. So, indirectly, M provides us a lot of information regarding image nature, image size, lens nature, lens name. So, it is a very important term that gives us a lot of information. So this was the basic regarding numerical, in which we have learned lens formula, magnification, its importance, and a numerical. So in next video I am going to teach you the most important topic, that is power of lens, which is very important concerning your board exams. So be with me in next video. Till then, goodbye.